guys, welcome to my channel again with me Bobby. So I got here in front of us is the Iniu C cable. So I got this 5-pack cable. So I got the 3.8 1 cable 1 meter and 1.8 and 3 meters. Okay, so this is a QC 3.0 fast charging USB Type-C charger. Kabel, nylon braided. Oh my god. So this is the box. Behind of the box it says here USB-C cable, fast charge and data sync. So it does 3.8 fast charge, flexible taper joint, premium alloy housing and braided nylon cord. Oh my god, this is awesome guys. So the 3.8 ultra fast charge, it says that powered by advanced QC 3.0 fast charging technology to experience a blazing fast charging speed up to 3.8. Wow. So this is next level enhanced durability. This is specification there. You can rate, pause the video, and this is the rapid data transmission syncing up to 48 Mbps and one-stop cable solution. So it comes with 5 cables guys, 5 cables in 3 different sizes to meet all your and your family needs everywhere. So we got the 3.3 feet on to 6.6 feet for office and 10 feet for home. I think it's 3.3 is 1 meter and 6.6 is 1.8 and the 10 feet is 3 meters. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we're gonna have in the box. We got 3.3 feet times 2, 6.6 times 2 and 10.1 and 10 feet times 1, and we got the welcome guide also X1 there. Okay, so this is the surface and support stop start technology. Wow, brand Iniu. Okay, let's open the box here. Let's see what they got for us. Okay guys, so this is what we got inside the box there. So the first one, we get the welcome guide from Iniu. So this cable type is DID5C USB-C cable. Nice. Wow, good welcome guide. I always appreciate company that include the welcome guide. This neat, awesome. So this is the support iniu.shop, and this is the cable guys. Wow, so we got 5. Yeah, this is the I think this is the 3 meters, this is the 1.8 and this is the 1 meters. Okay, let's see what is this. Extend your warranty freely from 30 days to 3 years. Nice, thank you Iniu, awesome. Okay, so this is the cable guys. Let's see. Wow, it's really nice guys, really nice. Okay, yeah, good material that they use here. Awesome. And wow, is this a LED? Is this an LED notification fast charge? Oh my god, so it has LED guys. Oh my god, this is awesome. Yeah, I need cable that can glow, that can show me. All right, nice one guys, nice one. I'm definitely gonna use this because I just love the LED here guys. This is LED. All right, LED, nice. 3.1A. all right guys, that's the unboxing and first impression of the cable, USB-C cable from Iniu. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay guys, thank you guys, bye.